In the quiet symphony of our own minds, a new revolution is beginning. A silent conversation, not between people, but between thought and machine. We stand at the dawn of a new era, one where the boundaries of human potential are being redrawn by the very architects of our own consciousness. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the age of the brain-computer interface. For centuries, we've looked to the stars, dreaming of exploration. But perhaps the greatest frontier has always been within us, locked away in the 1.5 kilograms of neural tissue nestled inside our skulls. Now, we are finally crafting the key. Companies like Neuralink are weaving threads thinner than a human hair into the very fabric of the brain, aiming to decipher the electrical whispers that constitute our thoughts, our memories, our very being. Think about what this means. We've already seen the miracles. Paralyzed individuals, trapped in their own bodies, are now able to move robotic arms with just a thought, to type on a screen with the power of their mind alone. These are not just medical breakthroughs. They are testaments to human resilience and ingenuity. Research from agencies like DARPA is pushing even further, exploring how we might restore lost memories or even enhance our cognitive abilities. Imagine a future where learning a new language is as simple as downloading a file, where you can share a feeling, a memory, a complex idea directly with another person, mind to mind. A world where physical limitations no longer define a person's ability to interact, create, and contribute. This is the inspiring vision, the promise of a future where biological intelligence and artificial intelligence merge into something entirely new, something greater than the sum of its parts. But every great leap forward casts a long shadow. As we start to rewrite the code of our own minds, we must confront profound questions. If our memories can be edited, what becomes of our history, our truth? If our thoughts can be connected to a network, where does the individual and the collective begin? Who owns your thoughts? Who protects them? The very essence of our identity, what it means to be me, is up for debate. This path is both exhilarating and unsettling. It forces us to look in the mirror and ask what it truly means to be human. Is it our flesh and blood? Or is it our consciousness, our capacity to dream, to love, to question? The technology is evolving at an exponential rate, and the answers won't wait. We are the generation that will decide the future of human consciousness. The conversation has already started in labs, in boardrooms, and now in our own minds. The next chapter of our evolution isn't written in stone, but in the electrical currents of the human brain. What will we choose to say? Thanks for watching. If this sparked your curiosity, consider subscribing to join the conversation.